Hey guys, I'm Untitled Chapter, and in today's video I want to talk to you about the new Ozone 9. I want to show you some new really nice features, and I want to show you how I master a boom bap hip hop track using the plugin. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, hit that notification button. Let's get into it. Okay, so this is Ozone 9 Advanced. I've been using Ozone for a while now. It's on every single master that I do. I've been getting amazing results by just using Ozone, but most of the time I'm using Ozone with other plugins. With Ozone 9 we have a few new things, and I will try and show those when mastering this track. The track sounds something like this. Todos los tiempos que pasamos, cuando reímos, cuando lloramos, and that shit will never fade away. Smoking J's just to get away. Staying on my hustle till I see them better days. Es familia sobre todo, homie, ain't no other way. And loyalty is everything. Eso es de ley. I kick back on the track, homie, ponle play. So a really mellow boom bap hip hop track. One of the amazing things about Ozone 8 was the Master Assistant. With Ozone 9 the Master Assistant is highly improved. We have two different modes, a modern one and a vintage one. We have the ability to use a reference track for loudness and for the EQ, and then we have the destination streaming or CD. Most of the time I use this as a starting point, and since the track has old school feel to it, let's go with the vintage modules. For the intensity, I usually keep it on medium. Hit next, play the track, and let's see what we get. Todos los tiempos que pasamos, cuando reímos, cuando lloramos, and that shit will never fade away. Smoking J's just to get away. Staying on my hustle till I see them better days. Es familia sobre todo, homie, ain't no other way. And loyalty is everything. Eso es de ley. I kick back on the track, homie, ponle play. Todos los tiempos que pasamos, cuando reímos, cuando lloramos, and that shit will never fade away. Smoking J's just to get away. Staying on my hustle till I see them better days. Hit accept, and now we have a mastering chain with EQ, vintage EQ, vintage limiter, and a maximizer. One really nice thing about the new version of Ozone is how fast it is. With previous versions, one of my complaints was the loading times. Now if I add a new instance of Ozone, really fast, no big delays. Another cool feature is that it's resizable, so it will fit any type of display that you have. Let's see what it did. The way and loyalty is everything. Eso es de play. Que pasamos cuando reímos, cuando lloramos, and that away. Smoking J's just to get away. Staying on. With the vintage EQ, I see that it added a low cut. This is a Pultec style EQ, so we have a really gentle slope. Again, dealing with that low end. Sobre todo, homie, ain't no other way, and loyalty is everything. Eso es de ley. I kick back on the track, homie, ponle play. Todos los tiempos que pasamos, cuando reímos, cuando lloramos. So next in chain, it added a vintage limiter. I think this one is doing most of the heavy lifting. Till I see them better days. Es familia sobre todo, homie, ain't no other way, and loyalty is everything. Eso es de ley. I kick back on the track, homie, ponle play. Todos los tiempos que pasamos, cuando reímos, cuando lloramos, and that shit will never fade away. Smoking J's just to get away. Staying on my hustle till I see them better days. Es familia sobre todo, homie, ain't no other way, and loyalty is everything. Eso es de ley. I kick back on the track, homie, ponle play. Todos los tiempos que pasamos, cuando reímos, cuando lloramos, and that shit will never fade away. Smoking J's just to get away. Staying on my hustle till I see them better days. Es familia sobre todo, homie, ain't no other way, and loyalty is everything. Eso es de ley. I kick back on the track, homie, ponle play. Todos los tiempos que pasamos, cuando reímos, cuando lloramos, and that shit will never
never fade away.
With just a few modules, we already have a pretty nice balanced master. We can really improve and we can really dive into this master by using the other modules from Ozone 9. One of the new really cool module is the low end focus. Let's put this before the limiters. This module deals with low end and you can get some really tight bass out of it.
Smoking J's just to get away. Es familia sobre todo, homie, ain't no other way. And loyalty is everything, eso es de ley. I kick back on the track, homie, ponle play. Todos los tiempos que pasamos, cuando reímos, cuando lloramos, and that shit'll never fade away. Smoking J's just to get away. Staying on my hustle till I see them better days. Es familia sobre todo, homie, ain't no other way. And loyalty is everything, eso es de ley. I kick back on the track, homie, ponle play. Todos los tiempos que pasamos, cuando reímos, cuando lloramos, and that shit'll never.
Another new module is the Master Rebalance. I love that they brought this module to Ozone 9 from RX7. What you can do with this one is just make adjustments to the levels of your vocals, of your bass, or of your drums. That's really amazing if you have a mix that is unbalanced.
Shit'll never fade away. Smoking J's just to get away. Staying on my hustle till I see them better days. Es familia sobre todo, homie, ain't no other way. And loyalty is everything, eso es de ley. I kick back on the track, homie, ponle play. Todos los tiempos que pasamos, cuando reímos, cuando lloramos, and that shit'll never fade away. Smoking J's just to get away. Staying on my hustle till I see them better days. Es familia sobre todo, homie, ain't no other way. And loyalty is everything, eso es de ley. I kick back on the track, homie, ponle play. Todos los tiempos que pasamos, cuando reímos, cuando lloramos, and that shit'll never fade away. Smoking J's just to get away. Staying on my hustle till I see them better days. Es familia sobre todo, homie, ain't no other way. And loyalty is everything, eso es de ley. I kick back on the track, homie, ponle play. Todos los tiempos que pasamos, cuando reímos, cuando lloramos, and that shit'll never fade away. Smoking J's just to get away. Staying on my hustle till I see them better days. Es familia sobre todo, homie, ain't no other way. And loyalty is.
Another module that I use all the time when mastering is the imager, and that's just to add some stereo spread on the top end and just to narrow down the low end.
Is everything, eso es de ley. On the track, homie, ponle play. Todos los tiempos que pasamos, cuando reímos, cuando lloramos, and that shit'll never fade away. Smoking J's just to.
Another big difference between Ozone 8 and Ozone 9 is that you can add a lot of modules and you can have a really complex mastering chain. You also have the codecs and you can listen to your master through the MP3 codec at different bit rates.
Just to get away, staying up, see them better days. Es familia sobre todo, homie, no other way. And loyalty is everything, eso es de ley.
This is really important when you're releasing music for streaming. So as you can see, you can achieve really nice results with Ozone 9 using the Master Assistant and using the new included modules. It's really fast, it has the same workflow as the previous versions. It feels a lot faster in terms of processing power, it doesn't feel sluggish. I really enjoyed that about it. It feels snappy. The two different modes in Master Assistant, I think that are great. You also have a Match EQ module that you can use to match the curve of a track to another one. It's a pretty cool feature that I will showcase in a future video. It replaces my old trusted Ozone 8. This is probably going to be on all my mastering chains from now on. And I think that if you're serious about mastering or releasing your music online, this is a must-have tool. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe, hit the notification button, drop a like, leave a comment if you have any questions or any suggestions. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook. Thanks for the support and see you guys next time. Cheers.